Welcome to Chalk Talk, your all-in-one platform for collaborative learning and mentoring. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the key features that make Chalk Talk the perfect space for knowledge exchange and growth. Let's dive in. Layers and mentor profiles. Chalk Talk's layer system allows seamless interaction. Imagine it as your educational universe divided into categories. Each category is specific, focused, and packed with knowledge. Inside these categories, you'll find a galaxy of mentors and experts, each shining with unique insights. It's a structured cosmos where you choose the orbit that suits your learning trajectory. Dive into the layers, explore the programs, and connect with mentors who guide you through the stars of knowledge. Update your profile. Keep your information current. Click on Update Profile to add a bio profile picture and showcase your personality and expertise. Mentor Profile. At Chalk Talk, your mentor profile is your canvas for self-expression. Customize it with image gallery, YouTube video, banners, logos, detailed descriptions, and informative documents. This rich tapestry of content not only makes your profile visually appealing, but also serves as a comprehensive showcase of your expertise. My Gallery. Your gallery, which will be displayed on your mentor profile page, can be updated here. Express yourself. AI bot assistance. Need help? Our AI bot is here for you. Ask questions, seek guidance, or explore the platform effortlessly. Chalk Talk AI will also guide you to mentors and sessions in a category you are interested in. Create a session. Ready to share your knowledge? Creating a session is a breeze. Define your topic, set a schedule, set a price, and you're good to go. Session Explorer, payment via Stripe. Discover sessions from others or set up paid sessions. Chalk Talk uses Stripe for secure and straightforward payment transactions. Join a session. Joining a session is simple. Navigate to Join Session and seamlessly connect to a meeting. Experience collaborative learning like never before. Chalk Talk is designed for educators, mentors, and learners alike. It's more than a platform. It's a community committed to knowledge exchange. Ready to elevate your learning experience? Sign up on Chalk Talk today and start your journey of collaborative growth. Thank you for choosing Chalk Talk, learning beyond borders.